Hi everyone! In this video, we'll be going over a typical swim teacher shift from start to finish. Ensure you make yourself known to the receptionist on your way in. To clock on for the shift, scan your finger on the Brimbank machine and click Start Work. This should be done in the 15 minutes before the start of your classes. If you need to change, the public change rooms are available to you. Once you are ready, make your way to the swim school storeroom. The code for the room will be provided to you on the day of your first shift. You can leave your belongings on the shelves during your shift, as this room is secure from public access. Here you will also find all the equipment you will need for your classes, including your basket, toys, flotation aids, and your nameplate. Ensure your nameplate is attached correctly so that it is easy to see. If you are the last staff member leaving the storeroom, make sure to close the door behind you. Place your basket at your allocated lane with your nameplate clearly visible. Your lane rope should already be placed out for you by your on-deck supervisor. Hook the non-adjustable end of the lane rope at the start of your lane. Guide the lane rope across the pool, hook the adjustable end of the lane rope at the end of your lane, and tighten to ensure the lane rope is straight. The lifeguard on duty will change the lane signs. If you require a platform, wheel it to the start of your lane, swivel it into position, and gently lower it into the water as demonstrated. Once you are in the water, you can maneuver the platform into your preferred position. Your on-deck supervisor will provide you with a tablet or leave them in the storeroom for you to collect. You are now ready to start your classes. Ensure to greet all students with a smile. If you require assistance throughout your shift, signal to the lifeguard and ask them to radio the on-deck supervisor. Once all your classes are finished, unhook the adjustable end of the lane rope, guide it to the other side of the pool, unhook the non-adjustable side, and place the lane rope on the edge of the pool outside the water. To remove the platform from the water, maneuver it into place with one end sitting on the edge of the pool. Call an on-deck supervisor or lifeguard to assist you in removing the platform from the water as demonstrated. Swivel and wheel the platform back into its holding area. Be careful that there are no patrons in your way. Return the rest of your equipment, making sure to place it back where you found it. Tablets should be placed in the appropriate holder. This will ensure the storeroom is kept tidy and equipment can be found easily. When you leave the storeroom, ensure you turn off the light if you are the last to leave, and check that all of your equipment has been packed up. Don't forget to clock off on the Brimbank scanner to record the end of your shift. You should now be familiar with the start and end procedures of a swim teacher shift. We look forward to seeing you on pool deck as part of our team. Thank you for watching.